Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can access an app that ain't work in certain region from Play Store. Before we going to the first step, let me show you apps that most work in my region. For instance, let's search Peacock Streams. As you can see, it is not allowed or it's not available in my country, so let's go to work. When you go to the first step, you will have to go to the Play Store or App Stores and download any kind of VPNs that's preferable for you. For me, Turbo VPN is fast to connect, so I just download it. So let's connect it. Now tap the connected tab. As you can see, it is connected already. So let's go back to the Play Store. After you go back to the Play Store, you click it and then disable it, the whole of the apps. No remove, just disable it or uninstall all of the app. So now click disable. After you do this, you will go into the setting tabs and then apps section. After you go into app sections, you'll go to storage section. You'll tap here and then you'll get clear data and clear cache. You will create cache as you have already cleared the data. So after you did this, you'll click the enable button here, enable. I just enable it. So let's go back to the Play Store. As you can see, it is fresh, and let me search the first apps that's not accessible in our country. So as you can see, Peacock Stream is now available in my country, allowed in my country. So let's download it and use it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell button so you never miss out on more useful tech tips and app reviews. Until we meet again in the next useful video, keep mastering your tech. See you in the next video.